Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the farmer's market.
Thank you. Everything looks so fresh.
Yes, all of this is picked early this morning.
Wow, that's great to hear.
What are you looking for today?
Maybe some vegetables.
Sure. We have carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, and more.
Nice. Can I see the tomatoes?
Of course. Here they are.
They look beautiful.
Thank you. They're organic.
Oh, perfect.
Would you like to smell one?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Smells really fresh.
We try our best.
How much are they?
$2 per pound.
That seems reasonable.
Yes, very affordable today.
I'll take 1 pound.
Great.
What about carrots?
Right here. Fresh and sweet.
They look so clean.
Yes, we wash everything before we bring it.
Nice.
Would you like to try one?
Try one?
Yes, a small piece.
Sure.
Here.
Wow. It's sweet.
Told you.
How much for carrots?
$1 per bunch.
I'll take 2 bunches.
Excellent choice.
Do you also have greens?
Yes, we have spinach, kale, and lettuce.
Can I see the spinach?
Absolutely.
This is very fresh.
Harvested just 2 hours ago.
Seriously?
Yes, ma'am.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
How much for the spinach?
$3 for a big bag.
I'll take 1 bag.
Great.
Do you grow all this yourself?
Yes, our farm is about 30 minutes away.
That's really cool.
We love what we do.
I can tell.
Thank you.
Do you also sell fruits?
Yes, apples, strawberries, bananas.
Can I see the strawberries?
Sure.
These look amazing.
They're the sweetest ones this season.
How much?
$5 per box.
A bit pricey.
Yes, but worth it.
Okay, I'll take 1 box.
You won't regret it.
I hope so.
Anything else today?
Do you have honey?
Yes, homemade honey.
Oh, wow.
Here, want to taste?
Sure.
Just a small spoon.
This is delicious.
It's pure and natural.
I'll take a small jar.
Good choice.
Do you accept card?
Yes, card or cash.
Great.
Let me total everything for you.
Okay.
1 pound tomatoes, 2 bunches carrots, spinach, strawberries, honey.
Sounds correct.
The total is $14.
That's not bad at all.
We tried to keep prices fair.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Here's my card.
Thank you.
Take your time.
It's processing.
Okay.
Approved.
Nice.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do you come here every Saturday?
Yes, from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Good. I'll come again.
We'd love that.
Do you ever sell eggs?
Sometimes.
Not today.
No, they sold out early.
Oh, that's okay.
Come earlier next time.
I will.
Great.
Do you have a business card?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Your farm name is Green Valley Farms?
Yes, that's us.
Cute name.
Thanks.
Do you deliver?
Only within the town.
That's helpful.
We try.
What time do you close today?
At 2 p.m.
Got it.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Paper or reusable?
Reusable.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everything looks so fresh.
That's the goal.
I feel healthy just shopping here.
I like that.
It's true.
Well, thank you for coming today.
Thank you for your kindness.
Anytime.
I'll definitely return next week.
We'll be here.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Walking away. Such a nice market.
Calls out. Enjoy your fresh produce.
I will.
Take care.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
The strawberries smell amazing already.
They're the best.
I believe you.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
See you next Saturday.
Definitely.
Bye now.
Bye.
Smiling, another happy customer.